Do you need your water heater serviced? We are your #1 water heater services in the greater Las Vegas area. Call AirProMaster now at 702-824-3171. Plumbing problems can be frustrating, but don't worry, we have around-the-clock service. We service both residential and commercial units. We're licensed, bonded, and insured. So call us now at 702-824-3171. Water heater service and replacement, faucet and drain service, or anything plumbing related. We've got you covered. Check us out on the web at www.airpromaster.com or call anytime 702-824-3171.